got your window.
I am. That's when I get close to the road.
Oh, yeah. Hey, we're on the news.
We are?
Yeah.
What news station was it?
Crap. Only one around here.
Oh my gosh, look at that fire.
Oh my gosh, they saved the houses.
Oh wow.
Oh, I bet they had their sprinklers on. Hardcore.
Probably evacuated. Wow, that's actually really close to the road over here. Like 20 feet. Everything's just burned.
Wow, they saved the houses.
And this field. But actually it hasn't touched the field yet. It hasn't gone to the houses. Looks like they put it out before it did though. Over here.
So glad they saved those.
Yep.
Actually, those are different ones.
Yeah. Oh, you're right. We haven't even, yeah, you're right. They're still up there.
You still recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like 2.5 minutes in. This is all burned.
I like how like everything's burning, but there's just these little tiny fires randomly.
Oh, there's some fire. What? Why are we stopping?
Stopping.
Why?
I don't know, honey.
Oh, there's a train. There's a train up there.
Don't record me, please.
I'm not. Look at all this smoke. Wow, it actually did hit the street.
Told you. It's kind of cool.
So smoky. Looks like I ran out of stuff to burn over here, but it's still a ton of smoke. Oh, I see a small fire. Oh, there's some.
Hey, look at this big tree it missed.
Yeah, I missed quite a few trees. They go like the base of them though.
Look up ahead.
Wow, that got to the street too.
Up ahead. Yeah.
Oh, that's still burning.
Oh, yeah. Okay, stop recording and start recording again.